In this video, I'm going to show you how to change username on Facebook. Your Facebook username is different from your Facebook name, and you can set a different username as well as a different Facebook name at the same time. So here in this video, you learn how you can easily access your Facebook username page and then change it to your preferred username. So if you're done with this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first one to do, when you want to edit or rename your Facebook username, is open the Facebook application just like this. Then on the home page, click on the profile icon at the top right. Once you do that, scroll down and click on settings and privacy. Under that, select settings. Now once you select settings, come to account center and then click on that. Here you need to click on profile and then select your Facebook account if you connected your Facebook and Instagram account together. Then click on that, and once you click on that, you see the option to edit or change your username. Then click on username. There you go. You can see this is my username. Go ahead, delete this username, then type in another username. Then once you type in the username, wait for Facebook to check whether this username is available or not. As you can see, change your username will also change your Facebook URL at facebook.com/username. Then once the username is available, go ahead and click on done. Then there you go. You cannot see your Facebook username has been changed to your new username on Facebook. So that's how you can easily change your username on Facebook. If this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.